New Delhi gi Bigyan Bhavan da pangthokpa sing lemlaba thoram amada President Draupadi Murmu na Laibak asigi humphuma pallak suba National Film Award 2021 yenthokpada mayang lambam Romie Meitei na direction piba aikhoigi yum amasung Saikhom Ratan gi Beyond Blast na Best Meitei Film Award amasung Best Biographical Film gi mana phangkhre Nipan suba schedule da sakhanglaba lon singi manungda aikhoigi yum na khwaidagi faba Meitei film gi award pirakhibani Saikhom Ratan gi Beyond Blast na Somnath Mondal gi Rukho Mandir Dukho Maziga punna Best Biological Film Award ase pangminnabani Saikhom Ratan gi minute yankhai ni thui sangba film ase chahi kharagi mamangda thokiba bom pokhai khiba thodokta makhong animak kakhraba artist Konthaujam Michael Meitei gi punsida yumpham oiduna puthokpani Laibak ase gi khwaidagi wangba film Lifetime Achievement Award Saheb Falco Award su President na kusinakhi Film asida National Award di oibada natana jury member amasu oiriba Manipur gi saknairaba filmmaker Borun Thongsom su saruk yakhe.
In the last few years?
Yeah, Manipur doing well in the film. Recently we have celebrating 50 years of Manipuri cinema, and Manipur cinema has extended its own hand up to this big festivals like Cannes and other things. So many documentary filmmaker and other fiction filmmakers are coming up, and yeah, there's a whole lot of changing scenario we can change.
Northeast region is obviously, is very, very exciting, is so rich, so diverse. Within that small Seven Sisters, there are, I think, approximately 100 to 300 languages, so many ethnicities. How interesting it is to make films in that region. I would go across Ms. Sheetal, who is the producer.
Yes, there are many varied languages, but still we are very proud and very glad that we could bring out our story, which is our story to showcase to the nation and international audience as well.
Well, thank you, Sheetal ji, and thank you, Romie ji.